students, we're going to talk a little bit about what a vision statement is, and I'm going to include what a mission statement is in this video, just so that we have both of them together. So let me go back here. Oops, I keep flipping to the next slide. So a vision statement tells the purpose and the why of your company. Why are you having a company? What is your vision for the company? And the mission is the what, where, and how. So let's take a look at that a little bit more closely. So a vision statement will focus on the future. It provides the goal or the destination to be reached by following the direction of what you're planning to do. It describes how the future will look if the company achieves its mission. So it's really on the future. The mission statement focuses on the present, and it provides the direction that is to be followed by the company. What are you going to do? How are you going to set up your business? It states what the company does, how it does it, and who it does it for. Now there's two resources right here that you can click on, and you could read a little bit more about it if you'd want to. Okay, so let's remember the vision statement is for the future and the mission statement is for the present. And let's look at a vision and mission statement of what Renton Technical College is doing. So Renton Technical College will be a locally, regionally, and nationally recognized leader for improving lives and inspiring lifelong learning. So can you see that that's kind of the compass? That's where our future is. That's what our value is, what we want to accomplish. And how are we going to do it? How does Renton Technical College do it? They engage a diverse student population through educational opportunities for career readiness and advancement, serving the needs of individuals, the community, businesses, and industry. So can you see here, the vision is the compass, where you're going to go in the future, and the destination is what are you going to be when you get there. So let's take a look at another one. AFT Washington is a union that I belong to as a teacher here at RTC. We all belong to a union, and I saw their vision and mission statement, and I thought it was a pretty good example. So again, we're going to think about the compass and the vision being the future, and the mission and the destination being the destination being the mission. So the vision of AFT Washington is a just society with access for all to unions, education, healthcare, and social programs that provide equal opportunity. So you can see that that's a pretty large goal to have. The mission of AFT Washington is to voice the ideals of our locals and members for workplace fairness and social justice, while strengthening and focusing their collective power, meaning the people, the members, their collective power to attain these ideals. Okay, so those are two really good examples. And if you want to take a look at some more, I'm going to send this PowerPoint out to you, and you can click on all these links. And sometimes the links, the actual statement examples aren't right at the top, so you have to kind of scroll down through the document and take a look at it. But there'll be more information on vision and mission statements. For this assignment, everyone, you're just doing a vision statement. Somewhere else along in the class, you will be doing a mission statement, so if you feel like writing it at the same time or working on it at the same time, that's good. Vision statements and mission statements, you'll revisit them several times throughout the program and keep enhancing them and making them tighter and better along the way. So here, if you want to write a vision statement, I have 5 they're called sentence stems, so 5 kind of little templates that you can just change a little bit and it'll get you to a vision statement. But please create your own and try to make it more how you would say it and that kind of thing. So all this stuff that's in a bracket right here, there's a bracket and a bracket. This is an instruction to you, the student. It's telling you what you're going to put in this spot right here. It's called a placeholder. And eventually you'll answer the question and then take out the placeholder. So you could start out and you could say our vision or my company's vision, like the one with the AFT Washington. Our vision is to, and then what are you going to do in the long term? Answer that question and put the response in there, and then you delete, you put your answer in there and then delete. Whoops, I went too far. And then you delete this part so that this happens. And what do you want to have happen? Another way to say it would be, it is our goal, or it is ABC Company's goal to, and state your idealistic long-term vision. What do you see in the long term? What are you going to be doing? We believe, and then state some of your core values. So a value is the things that you believe in, and I got a list of some different values at the end of this PowerPoint, so we'll take a look at that. Another way of writing it is our company, or ABC Company, will be, and then here's your instruction, what it wants to become and what it wants to accomplish. So what do you want your company to become, and what do you want it to do? Another way, we envision, or ABC Company envisions, being what? The best at something, the premier food stand, whatever it would be, by, and what are you going to do? You're going to do something, so what is that? And then another way of writing it would be to add some time limit in it. So 5 years from now, the business, ABC Business, our company, will, and then write whatever you think you're going to achieve by doing what. Okay, so just use this pattern and you'll be able to come up with a vision statement. This next slide does the same thing. I actually am going to change this so it'll be write a mission statement. It's kind of a formula or a recipe for writing it. Now we're not going to do this one, but if you want to do it now, you can. And so look at these little models. Your company's name's mission is to buy such and such. Okay, so look at some of the examples. And then what are some values that people have? People can have integrity, courage, confidence. They can be goal-oriented, sincere, have a work ethic, be personable, charisma, fun, determination, excuse me, enthusiastic, and then enthusiasm. It's a great value to have. Dependability, ambition, thoroughness, detail-oriented, being respectful, faithfulness, charity, creativity, imagination, diligence, optimism, conviction, humility, empathy, accountability. And these are just some of the ideas that we come up with about what are some characteristics of that you might want your business to be like. Okay, so that's all there is in this particular slide. So you are going to go over to your Word document. You're going to cut and paste the information from the first assignment. Cut that little thing about having a value statement and cut it over to Word. And then I'll send you a link to that. I'll send you that document so that you know how to do it from now on. And you'll just keep adding to it. And so in 130, this is all you have to do this week. For the first week is a vision statement. Oh, excuse me, no, you have to actually write some goals and some other things, and I'll have a video for those other things that you're going to be doing too. Thank you.